Chemex supply cleaning, hygiene and infection control products. It's business to business, repeat order operation. So day on day we're visiting pubs, clubs, restaurants, care homes, you name it. Anybody who needs to use cleaning products for regulatory purposes or just purely to protect their reputation, Chemex can supply them. I think it's important when somebody is choosing a franchise that they look at their own skill sets and choose something that they think they're going to enjoy. At the end of a long hard day with the Chemex franchise, you've got to work hard. The only place that success comes before work is in the dictionary. So from our point of view, we want somebody who's got enthusiasm, they can communicate, and at the end of a long hard day, build a business. And I think from that point of view, a Chemex franchise sets you up really well for that exercise. Earnings potential on a single van would be up to £300,000, and out of that, 6 figures are totally achievable. It's up to you really how big you want to grow. We've got lots of franchisees that are more than happy running £80,000 to £100,000 businesses, and they'll pay the bills. They're more than happy to do that. My oldest franchisee is 78 years old. Our youngest franchisee is 35 and building a very large business. Very extensive support, so right from the get-go there's 2 weeks residential training, that's followed up by 3 months in field training, and our franchise support managers are going to accompany you on visits to customers, making sure that your customer base is growing over the initial months of your business startup. There's £23,500 as the setup cost, which is £10,000 for the rolling licence and £13,500 for the setup package. Again, that's with the 2 weeks residential, laptops, computers, £5,000 worth of product, £2,000 worth of equipment, very extensive. We make nothing from the package. We make all our money when the franchisee is successful. I think from the point of view of myself, having bought a franchise and been through the exercise, you've got to go through a pretty rigorous exercise of looking at what you're going to get. So if you're going to look at it properly, you're going to be the salesperson for whichever franchise you buy. So do you have the right capabilities to sell that franchise? Now for me, we sell products. So can you go into a pub, a club, a restaurant and say, "Hi, my name's Michael, I'm from Chemex, would you like to have a look at my products?" It's as simple as that. But if you don't have the confidence to do that, then my franchise isn't right for you. I joined Chemex 10 years ago with Melvin Lusty and Omar Farouque as a partnership team. Truly enjoy working with them. Nothing gives me more satisfaction than seeing somebody come into a franchise and succeed. And it doesn't matter what background they've come from, whether it's been production to a director. Once they succeed and they enjoy what they're doing, that's my job done. Next steps, we would send more information following up from the show. We would then invite you to an Insight Day, which is based in Birmingham. The Insight Day is important because this is a two-way process, and I want you to meet the team that are going to support you when you're building your business. So between the technical support, the marketing, our chemists, they all want to meet you, and it's important that they give an opinion on whether you would be successful or not. It's a two-way process. You've got to go and meet our franchise base, talk to them and make sure that they're enjoying the experience and giving you positive feedback.